the shift toward branding. Why Asian hotel owners are choosing conversions over new builds for decades. The hospitality landscape in Asia has been defined by independence. From the boutique villas of Bali to the storied hotels of Phuket and Siem Reap, local, unbranded operators have long held the reins of the market. However, a significant structural shift is underway. As the industry evolves, hotel owners are increasingly moving away from independent operations and new construction, opting instead to convert existing properties into global brands. The end of the independent era. Despite the charm of independent hotels, the economic reality of running them is becoming increasingly difficult. Currently, less than 25% of new hotel supply in Asia is managed by major global operators. The vast majority remains unbranded or owner-operated. This imbalance is being challenged by three growing pressures: unpredictable development. Construction timelines in many Asian markets have become volatile, and the cost of building from scratch remains high. Digital complexity. Managing sophisticated online distribution channels and complex pricing models requires a level of technological scale that small operators often lack. The demand for scale. As international travel rebounds, guests are increasingly looking for the predictability and rewards offered by global loyalty programs. The economic case for conversion for many owners. Conversion rebranding an existing building rather than building a new one is the most logical path to profitability. According to Andrew Langdon, Chief Development Officer for Accor in Asia, the advantages are measurable and immediate. Immediate financial upside: converting a hotel can drive a 15% to 40% increase in performance. This boost comes from improved pricing power and the ability to tap into global sales networks that independent hotels simply cannot access on their own. Lowering distribution costs. One of the biggest hidden costs for independent hotels is the heavy reliance on online travel agencies, OTAs. By joining a global brand, owners can leverage negotiated terms that can reduce OTA commissions by approximately 30%, significantly improving the bottom line. The loyalty engine in the modern travel economy. Loyalty is currency. Global brands bring massive databases of repeat travelers. In some markets, loyalty programs can account for up to 50% of total room nights, providing a level of demand stability that independent hotels struggle to achieve. A new model of flexibility. The industry is moving away from a one-size-fits-all approach. Global operators are responding to owner demand by creating conversion-friendly brands, rather than forcing a rigid, standardized identity on a unique property. Brands like Mercure, Handwritten Collection, and Ibis Styles allow owners to maintain much of their property's original character while layering on the essential commercial infrastructure, the booking systems, the loyalty points, and the global marketing reach. This flexibility also extends to how hotels are managed. Franchising. Owners can keep their local management teams in place while using a global brand name. Mixed-use development. New models are combining hotels with residential components to diversify revenue streams and mitigate risk. Tier 3 expansion. Brands are moving beyond major cities into less explored, Tier 3 destinations where independent hotels have traditionally dominated. Conclusion: the transition from independent to branded operations marks a move toward efficiency and risk mitigation in the Asian hospitality sector. By prioritizing conversions, owners are trading total autonomy for the scale, technology, and global reach necessary to thrive in an increasingly competitive market.